Hey everyone, it's Rye, and today I am going to talk about my cat. My little kitten's name is Arden, and she is almost 6 months old. She is my little pride and joy, my little baby, and I love her so much. So I just want to talk to you guys about her today and try to keep as many cuts out of this video as possible. I'm also going to include a bunch of cute clips that I've taken of her because I love her so much and I adore her, and yeah. So Arden is a beautiful little kitten, as you will see, and her favorite thing to do is attack feet. Her favorite toy is feet. She will run up to me in the morning and just tackle my feet all the time, and she will everyone else too. So she just loves to do that. She is the only survivor in her litter for reasons that I'm not going to discuss, but she is doing okay. She's perfectly healthy, and I'm glad that she is our cat. Yeah, I don't really know what much to say about her, honestly, but she is such a great member of our family, and I love her so much, and I'm so glad that I finally got to have her, because for the longest time we weren't allowed to have pets in our house because we were renting it, and so I think it was like 6 or 7 years that I was without a pet at all. So having her around has certainly helped all of us a little bit, I think, in my big family. And yeah, so if you have anything to say, leave it in the comments down below. I love you all, and I hope that you enjoyed. If you did, make sure to subscribe to our channel right here, and you can click over here to watch more videos. So I hope that you found this a little fun and super adorable, because my kitten is adorable. Okay, I love you. Bye. Bye. See you next week. Bye.